Every collector has one watch. Not the most expensive, not the rarest, just the one that changes everything. For me, it was this, the Seiko 5 Field. I've always been fascinated by watches, but this was the watch that changed the way I looked at every watch after it. Before this, I admired watches for their design. After this, I wanted to understand what made them come alive. Every tick, every movement, every tiny detail. It wasn't just another watch, it became the beginning of a journey. An automatic movement with manual winding, a clean, highly legible field dial, day-date display, hardlex crystal, beautifully polished case that almost feels like a mirror. The bracelet, it could have matched the watch a little better. 100 meters of water resistance and a display case back revealing the movement. That display case back was where everything changed. I found myself turning the watch over just to watch the movement. Soon, I was learning about the calibers, brands, craftsmanship, and stories behind them. This wasn't just my first automatic. It was the watch that made me take collecting seriously. Every watch that joined my collection after this owes a little something to this Seiko. Some watches tell the time. The Seiko 5 marked the beginning of my journey. If the stories like this mean something to you, welcome to QSMR. Until our next quiet conversation, keep making memories.